The GeoSpring water heater filter alarm, often a beep or error code, indicates a clogged air filter. This filter is crucial for the heat pump's efficiency. A blocked filter reduces airflow, potentially damaging the compressor and increasing electricity bills by up to 20%. To fix it, first locate the air filter, usually behind the front panel. Remove the filter and thoroughly clean it by vacuuming or rinsing off dust and debris. If the filter is too clogged to clean effectively, replace it with a GE-approved filter. Part numbers vary by model, but a common one is WH12X10535 for older units. New filters typically cost $20 to $50. Reinstall the cleaned or new filter. After cleaning or replacing the filter, reset the system. This can be done by pressing the reset button on the control panel or by unplugging the unit for 30 seconds to cycle the power. Clear any error codes displayed on the unit's digital display. Preventive maintenance, with checks every 6 to 12 months, is advised, particularly in humid or dusty environments. Firmware updates can also improve diagnostic logging. If the GeoSpring filter alarm keeps recurring after cleaning or replacing the filter, consider underlying water quality issues, such as hard water scaling. Installing a water softener can resolve this and potentially save on energy costs. Some users have also switched to whole-house filtration systems. For persistent issues, professional servicing is recommended to avoid voiding the warranty with improper fixes. Experts emphasize that ignoring the alarm can lead to costly repairs. Newer GeoSpring models offer smart IoT-integrated features, allowing remote monitoring via a mobile app. This enables preemptive alerts regarding filter status. Future models may include AI-driven diagnostics and self-cleaning filters. If experiencing persistent alarms, check for available firmware updates from Hire, which can improve diagnostic logging and reduce false positives. Remember that while cleaning, replacing the filter resolves most cases, recurring alarms suggest a more significant problem that requires investigation. For example, a YouTube video from 2025 shows how a homeowner saved money by fixing the issue.